Hi, welcome to Mariana's Cooking and More. Today we're going to be doing a quick pizza. So, now I'm going to show you that we have bread and it's naan bread. And basically, this is the one I bought. It's mini naan and it's from Superstore. It's not very expensive. Now, when you're going to be doing the pizza, you don't have to use the ingredients I have. You can use any vegetables, but I'll just tell you what I'm using. So what I am using right now is olives, pepper, cheese, and of course the sauce. So let's get started making our pizza. Started making our pizza. Jeez, what's wrong with me? So of course we need the sauce as the basic thing at the bottom, because what's going to be a pizza without, what do you call it? Sauce, yeah. Yeah, sauce. Yeah, put more sauce. Put as much sauce as you need it to be. Oh yeah, more sauce. We need more sauce. So see, there's more sauce, and then sauce, and then sauce, and more sauce. Sauce, and then more sauce, and sauce, and sauce, and sauce, and sauce, and sauce. Whoa, that's a lot of sauce. Has to cover the whole surface. Okay, so now I think we have enough sauce. So, what do you think we should put next? I think we should put the cheese. Aren't I right, guys? Yeah, the cheese. So, let's get some cheese. More cheese, and more cheese. And you guys can put pepperoni, as I said at first, that you guys can put any kind of vegetables. It doesn't really count for the vegetables. It more counts for the pepperoni if you guys love pepperoni. That's gonna spread this. More cheese. Should we do the cheese like when we did sauce? Let's do cheese. Cheese. It doesn't matter if it gets dirty, because we're gonna clean it after together, because we both made the mess. Whoever I'm talking to. Now, should we put pepper and olives, or should we wait till the next one? Let's put pepper and olives. So what I'm gonna do for this first pizza that we're doing, I'm gonna do half. So basically the first half is gonna be pepper. And then when you see, you don't need the pepper to cover the whole surface because it's gonna be a half. Then we'll take some olives and put it on the other half. And I hope you guys try out this recipe, not just watch it. I think these are good. Now we're done our first one. So here it is, if you guys want to see it. Pizza. Yummy pizza. Okay, now we're gonna do our second pizza. So let's just move this one aside. Over here. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys at first that make sure you have to wash your hands. I already did wash my hands, so basically I don't need to. And I'm not gonna show you guys. And you guys have to remember, if I forget, you have to remember, okay? Now, we're gonna make our second one. Okay, second. Now we need more sauce again. Of course, we need more sauce because this is not going to be enough for the whole pizza. Try to get big chunks of pizza. I mean, not pizza. Big chunks of like the sauce. So this way, you don't have to dip and dip and dip and dip. You just like have to dip 3 times and then you're done. But that's different. I like having fun. If you guys want to copy me and have fun, you guys can do that. And you don't need like an adult to help you with this. You just need an adult supervision. Like when you're like lighting the stove, make sure you turn off the stove and stuff like that. And make sure you use tiny bowls if you want it not to be like everywhere and all messy. Oh, and I'm also using mozzarella cheese. Okay, so now for our second one, like I said, it's gonna be cheese. Cheese. Let's take a big chunk of cheese. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys all the pizzas that we made today. And then you guys, if you want, you can send a message and tell me which one is the best pizza. I would love you guys to do that. Okay, before we continue, I'm just gonna say, make sure you subscribe. Okay, now we're gonna put a little bit more cheese. I think that's enough cheese. Now, we are done our second one because you know how I told you we have only for this one cheese. Pretty tasty. Okay, now we're gonna do our third one, and it's not gonna be like our first one that we did half, and then our second just cheese. It's gonna be awesome. So first we're gonna take the sauce and put it at the top. And like I said, exaggerate with the sauce as much as you can. And take big chunks. Ooh, this is a big chunk. Now we're gonna put some cheese. Okay, let's continue. Now we're gonna put the pepper on the whole thing. What do you guys think? Should we do one pepper and then the other one olives? No, it's better when they're mixed, right? And don't tell anyone I'm the master of jokes. Now here's our third. Now we're gonna put it with the other yummy pizzas. At the end, they are gonna look awesome. And at the end, if you guys still wanna watch this video to see what's gonna happen after they're all cooked and they're puffy and strong. Mwah. Okay, let's act serious. Okay, we're serious. Right, pal? I'm revealing the best pizza. This video is not only for kids to do. Like adults, if they want just a basic pizza, they could do this too. I'm just saying. You don't have to. You don't have to. I'm not forcing you. I am not forcing you. You can just, if you want to do a video on YouTube, you can. It's the really best thing. That make sure your dad does it. But at first, you have to like practice. But I'm just gonna tell you guys that I didn't practice before I do this video, and this video is awesome. I think this is the most yummiest video I've done since then, but we'll see. Okay, before we continue, I'm just gonna say subscribe to my channel. Now this time, we're gonna put cheese, of course. Why was I digging into the, not blueberries. What are they called again? Oh yeah, olives. You know, old ladies forget, like me. I'm an old lady, except I don't have wrinkles. Okay, since this is the last pizza, I'm just gonna take everything and put it at the top. I think I exaggerated cheese. Sorry guys, I exaggerated. I always exaggerate with pizza. I don't know why. let's continue. Pepper. We only have 3. We did 3, and this is our 4th, and I hope you guys love our 4th. So, now this is good. So we did 4 pizzas today. Now carefully take the pizza. It's like a fragile baby. I'm gonna put this one straight so this way we have room for more pizza. Wait, wasn't that bowl empty a minute ago? Anyways, so now on these 3 that only have pepper and olives, basically what we're gonna do is we're going to take cheese and sprinkle it on top so this way it looks nice. But it doesn't make sense to put cheese on this one because it's already cheese. Right, guys? So, cheese party! It's a cheese party. And if some of it falls on your cheese pizza, I hope you enjoy this pizza. I hope you enjoy this pizza. That's a lot of cheese, hey guys? Okay. So here is our pizzas. All pizzas are heavy when you don't have much else. Kidding. So now I'm gonna ask my parents to help me put it at 400 at the stove behind me. So let's take the pizzas there. Okay, now it's in the oven for 15 minutes, so you get entertainment for 15 minutes. Oh yeah. So what should our first joke be about? I think it should be about pizza, because that's what we're cooking, right? Why did the pizza cross the road? To eat the other pizza. You guys can laugh, but you don't have to. Okay, so our next joke should be about cheese. It could be a knock-knock joke. Knock-knock. Who's there? Now, with the who's there, I want you guys to just type for me who's there if you guys want to do that, okay? Knock-knock. And then you guys are going to do the who's there, okay? I'm not going to say the who's there. Knock-knock. Banana. Banana who? Oh wait, you guys are supposed to say that. Oh wait, and it wasn't banana. We said it's gonna be cheese. What's wrong with us today? Okay, that one was hard with the knock-knock joke. Look how easy, simple, and fast and yummy these pizzas look. Are you amazed? Make sure you ask an adult to help you cut it. And good luck while you make it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye!